The H-1B visa slot closed on March 24th. So what's next? Applying for the March 2026 slot. And we are here to tell you the real picture. What's the current reality of H-1B visa? How it's gonna affect you and what are your chances to get it. But before we continue, please hit that like and subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out any study abroad updates. Alright, let's start with the facts. Getting an H-1B visa is now more like winning a lottery. It's no longer about skills or qualifications, it's about luck. This year, the registration window ran from March 6 to March 24th. Over 400,000 people applied and only 85,000 seats are available. 65,000 for general and 20,000 for US master's degree holders. So, even if you are a top tier coder or an MBA from a big school, the H-1B doesn't care. It's a lottery. You miss it, you wait for the next year. And if you are targeting for the March 2026, start preparing now. Now let's talk about what's shaking things up. Trump is back in power, and with that, many of his older immigration policies are already being revisited. This directly affects Indian professionals and students. H-4 EAD rollback. One of the biggest blows could be to the H-4 visa holders, mostly Indian spouses of H-1B workers. If their work authorization is revoked, thousands of Indian women may lose their jobs overnight. OPT and F1 visa tightening. There are discussions to restrict F1 visa durations and limit OPT time. If this happens, Indian students might be forced to get employer sponsorship immediately after graduation, adding crazy pressure. Travel risks for current visa holders. There are already travel cautions for F1 and H1B visa holders. Visa stampings are getting delayed. Some people are stuck outside the US waiting for approvals. If you are already on a visa, avoid unnecessary travel. Here's how to be smart in this changing landscape. Avoid day 1 CPT colleges. They are being monitored. A single wrong step can ruin your status. Start building US-based job connections on LinkedIn, AngelList, etc. even before you fly. Have a backup plan. Explore Canada, UK or Germany if you are still early in your journey. Follow verified sources like USCIS, Murty Law and official US Embassy pages, not Telegram YouTube rumors. This isn't to scare you, it's to make sure you don't go in blind. The US still values Indian students, but for now, it's a survival of the smartest. What can you do now if you missed this year? So, if you missed this year's H-1B lottery, don't stress, you've got a full year to prepare. Here's how to actually increase your chances in the next season. March 2026 will be here before you even know it. So start laying your foundation now and not after your graduation. Look, the H-1B visa is still one of the best gateways for Indian professionals. But the system is changing. Politics, demand and US priorities are changing. So if you want to make it, stay focused, stay prepared and don't blindly follow the crowd. If this video helped you see the full picture, please don't forget to like and share with your friends and drop your questions in the comments. We'll try to answer as many as we can. And don't forget to subscribe for real, up-to-date content on student visas, study abroad life and US work opportunities. Until next time, stay smart, stay sharp and unstoppable.